Okay. This is the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integration f of x dx from a lower limit x0, upper limit xn. This is equal to h by 3, h by 3, say f of x0, f of xn, see x0 is this should be f of x0, this should be f of xn. Should be f of x0 plus f of xn plus 4 times x1, x3, x5, x7, x key subscription plus 2 times f of x2 plus f of x4 plus f of x6 and so on. Aduna Simpson's 1/3 would build the showing Sayid Mina Horokpaga x naught siga x n gadi without any coefficient it's a narani. Next the Kadorani f of x haraga x ki subscript or oversingduna 4 na puri salani, x ki subscript even oversingduna 2 na puri salani. Loinamuk tinjanarani, tinjanabu lorega, Tariba answer to the h by 3 na multiply Tarani, and we get the Simpson's 1/3 rule. The result given by Simpson's 1/3 rule. Here, what should we remember? The number of intervals, that is n, should be even, and the summation for loop increments should be 2. Okay, you know, so the any chongdra 1, 3, 5, 7 and chongi. So even when 2, 4, 6, 8, habanina, summation do increment to 2, 2, 2. Whenever Mamangi trapezoidal rule chudadi for I in range 1 to n the high than a call. The third argument p did third argument p we mean you increase by only one value. Chudadi for I in range 1 to n, 2 third argument yaudra 2 haibama 2 have a third argument so it means you increment by 2 have an let us look at the example. Same function. Same 60 box chap manarani. Trapezoidal rule ga steps from math import exponential function f equal to lambda definition do lambda function do f x colon f is a function which depends on the variable x. Spotlight f is a function which depends upon the variable x, and the expression for the function is e to the power minus x square. Lower integration ki lower limit 0, integration ki upper limit 5. Number of intervals kya pami? So first let us start with 10 equal intervals. If I want 10 equal intervals, so if I want to divide the interval from 0 to 5, 0 to 5 high intervals in a 10 equal smaller intervals to xn minus x0 divided by n, and that will be h. That will be the length of each smaller interval. 0 to 5 10 equal intervals to the interval length to h na p. Then quite first Simpson's rule f of x0 ga f of xn ga hana sum topsala. So sum equal to f of x0 plus f of xh. Sum equal to f of x0 plus f of xn. So sigi steps the trapezoidal rule ga mana. Next next sigi samjit toraseba. Sigi samjit torasi. So I starts from 1 and then it jumps 2 mana jump tore 1, 3, 5, 7 and chale. So for I in range 1 di horo kadai bok chalo n minus 1 bok chalo n minus 1 bok chalo hai ni ko kam chonga ani ni chonga chalo hai ba ani chonga chalo. And then sum f 4 times f of xi, sum equal to sum plus 4 times f of xi have di x0 plus ih mamang to hai gibdo xi meaning the x0 plus ih have ni gone. So this part it carries out this sum. Sigi sum jemana sigi sum jemana tawre. Sigi first for loops na. Sigi amu x key subscript even 2, 4, 6 and so on kaina pire sigisina pire. For I in range 2 to n minus 2, so n minus 2 ni ko, n minus 2 ni aduna ai sida n nan thamasu ai n minus 1 nan thamasu ai kisu kaide n thamasu n thamaga su ultimately ma si n yobung amoi n minus 1 thamaga di n minus 2 bo chat kani yare ko aduna sigi je second argument si n thamgera n minus 1 thamgera kisu kaide ko. Then sum twice f of xi, sum twice f of xi sini period ko. Then sum plus size ni ko, sum plus equal to hai je eng sai kai na ki ba si short form ni kamai ni bia ba sum equal to sum plus hai ni ko. Aduna sum plus equal to hai di sum equal to sum plus hai ni ngau ngau dana ba slam ko ige sum equal to sum plus Zikido sum equal to sum plus tinjalo aduna sida mun nengo sum equal to f of x0 plus f of xn, sigi f of x0 plus f of xn si han tinjale. Next da sigi matang tinjana basi sigi first for loop sin tawre sum plus 4 times f of xi adim matang sigi sida amuk 2 dagi hauraga even number chin loina muk tinjana basi sida for I in range 2 to n minus 1 ani ni chongba sina amuk tinjana re loina muk tinjana re adudi ultimately si loina muk tinjana re si loina muk bracket manung da loina muk tinjana dugi value du sum hariba variable sida yaw leidorni ko store to leidorni integration ji value ji phangi harigadi we need to multiply the sum by h by 3 sina sum the multiply to ka tayaba. So integral equal to h by 3 multiplying on the sum. So this gives you the final answer. Then you can print it. Print integral equal to a floating point number which is given by the variable integral. So let me run this. The value is 0.886196. So 10 equal intervals to are aduga si hole so sigi koina pen and calculators choosing ko pot pada matam yam sang changa da budu within a fraction of a second sigi program na hole. Because when n equal to 10 we need to calculate this at 11 different points. See 11 different points to pot ko neba. When n equal to 20 diyang asi when n equal to 20 we need to calculate this summation at 21 different points. 21 different points the calculators it will take a long time, but for a computer if you write the program and you run it, it will give you the answer within a fraction of a second. As you answer the isn't it? Aduna computer programming ji kam daka tagi haji ko aikoina yam matam changna yam wana hotpa lan basu yaba lan bagi chance laiba poto programming is within a fraction of a second the computer will give you the answer. So let me pause the recording here. So we are going to find the solution of initial value problems, which is dy by dx is equal to f of xy. So dy by dx is some function of x and y, and the value of y at the initial value of x, which is x naught, is y naught. So first we will use the Euler's approximation method. The formula for Euler's approximation method is y I plus 1 value of y. The I plus 1 value of y is given by the ith value of y plus h times f of xi yi. So this was Euler's formula. Euler's approximation method. The formula is never. So we're going to use this formula and calculate the value of y at successive values of x. So right first, the given function, what is the given function? The given function is dy by dx equal to twice xy. So the given function f of xy is twice xy. And what is the analytical solution? The analytical solution is 0.5 e to the power x square. So we need exponential function. From math import exponential function. Correct? Already now we define f equal to lambda xy equal to twice xy. So f of xy is 2 times x multiplied by y. So multiplication sign what we are multiplication sign what the program. So this is the given differential equation, and the analytical solution couldn't hot the analytical solution sita is coming never y equal to 0.5 e to the power x square. So y do g correct g equal to lambda x is 0.5 e to the power x square. So the lambda x y this f is a function of two variables x and y, and the expression is 2 times xy. G is a function of the variable x, and it is given by 0.5 exponential x square. This is analytic solution. Aduga equation we are given the interval x from 0 to 1. So x initial value of x is 0, the final value of x would be 1. So x starts from 0, the final value of x is 1. And what was the initial condition? The initial condition was this. When screen sharing urika. See what files ubra? What files urika? When x equal to 0, the value of y is 0.5. So when x equal to 0, the value of y is 0.5. So initial value of y is 0.5. So the initial value of y is 0.5. Adudagidi ay step size though. Step size step size interval kya 0 dagini 1 book the interval step kya step ani tokera tara tokera kun tokera so first let us divide this into 2 steps so aduri 0 dagina 0.5 ama 0.5 dagina 1 bo ama so first let us take h equal to 0.5 step ani h equal to 0.5. Then the number of intervals will be the final value of x minus initial value of x divided by h. So this will give you n equal to 2. Correct? So x and x and 1 ni x0 na kya x 0 na 0 ni h na kya 0.5 ni. So 1 divided by 0.5 is 2. This will give you 2 n equal to 2. Otherwise print have a first lines equivalent you can ignore this first line. This second line, you can look at the second line. Print, print floating point number print the tab space another floating point number print tab space tab space tab key do keyboard tab key nam kan space tab space then third floating point number floating point number print out tape space so what is the first floating point number? The first floating point number was the original value of x, which is 0 is the printer ani, and what is y? So the first value of y is 0.5 is to the printer ani. G of x, g is analytical solution that the value of this function at x equal to 0. That's the printer ani. Main loop main loop. This is the main loop. So what is the Euler's formula? Y of I plus 1 equal to yi plus h times f of xi yi. So for I in range 1 dagina horaga n plus 1 book chalo haiba. Aduna range 1 dagi horaga n plus 1 chaladi it will go from 1 to 2. Here n is 2, so n plus 1 is 3. Range 1 to 3 hide 1 dagi 3 book haragadi only 1 and 2. Range quite last value so first y plus equal to y plus equal to this means y plus the x plus equal to x equal to x plus x plus h so I first for I in range this y is the f of xi yi holo h na puri salo f of xy holo h na puri salo tare value do y tinjalo tare value do y tinjalo and then you take the take that value and assign that value to y, and this will give you the next variable, next iteration with y value to fanganeba, yi plus 1 to fanganeba. Next step to laki haragadi, you increment the value of h by, the value of x by one step. So x equal to x plus h. Right? Then next time for loop tam lao I in range 1 to 2 yj amuk last value of y to the f of xy amuk holo h na amuk puri salo aduga taribu duna assign tawro x ki value jam h increase tawro. Right? Then you print the 3 1 2 3. You print 3 floating points in the now x y and g for each loop. For each value of I, you print it. Let me run this and you will know the answer. When I run this, this is the answer. Quadratic line x, y Euler, y analytical. Sigi column zina x ki values into never. Sigi column zina y ki values into never. Sigi column zina analytically solve the values into never. I cannot see a single value or get a value to see never. The third column gives you the exact value, whereas the second column gives you the value given by Euler's method. Euler's method na pure value to see never. A single value to see analytical columns never. Aduna sigi x ne y analytical ne sigi these three are printed using this print command. Ko I ngasai khai first ignore to hagi budo yam important oi di hagi budo sigi print command sin kari print to no sigi heading ji print to whenever x to the x thamo the y thamo the y analytical thamo hai adagi next ki print command sin kari print to no initial values in the print to hai x ka y ka initial value. This is the initial value when x was 0, y was 0.5. Initial value like ko. And this is analytical value, initial value there is a manner ni ko. So initially Euler's ka analytical value chap manani because this is the given value. This is the given initial conditions. Adudagi these two values 0.5 ka 1 ka jina adagi 0.5 0.75 these are the values calculated in this loop. I say I values the ani khitung obe hagidra I can be 1, I can be 2 because there are only two possible values in this range. So I na 1 orekanda sigi values mu phange I na 2 orekanda sigi next values mu phange. So we have divided the interval 0 to 1 to two small intervals and I have calculated the values of y at x equal to 0, x equal to 0.5, x equal to 1. Now you can check the answers. Euler's approximation of p is exact values difference. There is a huge difference. So the accuracy is very small. This 1.359 target of the 0.75. The accuracy is very small. So what can we do? We can reduce the step size. Step size h se 0.5 chong bagi mahuta if I jump only 0.1. Step size is 0.1 dang waragadi but to go from 0 to 1 if each step size is 0.1 I need 10 steps. 10 steps changoi dra 0 to 1 bu chapada. Aduna 10 steps the values in don't check the server. So you reduce the value of h and then we run it. You get the values of y calculated by Euler and the analytical value at 11 different points. Initial condition kharaga we are calculating at 11 different points. So we are 0.5, 0.5, 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54. When you compare this, now there is greater precision compared to the earlier ones. Step size am chauragadi Euler's method tadi errors is however. When the step size is small, my error decreases. When the step size is large, the error is large. When the step size is small, the error decreases. Aduga exam da hangi karido step amakhatangi holo hangmani ko sibok tangi hopada matam changi neba aduna sigi step 11 different points step tara do holo harigadi matam yang kuin sanganeba. But for a computer it can calculate the answer within a fraction of a second. This is how we calculate the initial value problem. We solve the initial value problem by using Euler's approximation method. We can also use the fourth order Runge-Kutta method to solve the same initial value problem. Fourth order Runge-Kutta method today, there are 4 values of k. K1 value given by this, K2 is given by this, K3 is given by this, K4 is given by this, and then the value of y at the next point. So the xi already, this will be xi plus 1. At the next point is given by y. Sorry, y of x plus h is equal to y of x plus k1 plus twice k2 plus twice k3 plus k4 by 6. We're going to use this formula and calculate and solve this initial value problem, same initial value problem by using Runge-Kutta method, fourth order Runge-Kutta method. Aduna, we are using the same function. So the function is twice xy. The analytical solution is 0.5 exponential x squared. Same initial condition. Initially x was 0. Interval upper value, upper range to x equal to 1. So for x equal to 0, x equal to 1 boki intervals the follow have from x equal to 0 x equal to 1 boki intervals the follow. You are given that at x equal to 0, y is 0.5. Next, aduna sibok loin chamana neba. Up to this value, up to this part, it is the same. Chamana neba ko. Chamana ni initial value of x, final value of x, initial value of y, the step size is 0.5 step ani kitang yamping ping lobudo. The number of intervals, the print heading header print out. Next, the initial value do print out, print initial values of x, y, and z. Already for I in range, see k ki values in the whole, y ki value the whole. So for I in range 1 to n plus 1, k1 is given by h times f of xy, k2 is given by h times f of x plus h by 2, y plus k1 by 2. So formula do dum jare ko. Sigi formula je dum jare sigi formula simak ai share the loops hap chale. Then y equal to y plus. Sigi this is what? This is y plus. Now the line and over. So x plus equal to x having meaning the x equal to x plus h having. So this is the meaning of it. Jikidu k mari mo hole, ade y hole, ade x increment ore. I look down la, aduna I point kaya the hotu no having matung in this many point manga the hotu ni haigadi I will take 5 values. Point any hotu ni haigadi I will take only 2 values. So when the step size is 0.5, if I divide the interval from 0 to 1 into intervals of step size 0.5, then there are only 2 possible intervals. So the I values initial value x0, y0 initial value of the plus I values it can become 1 and 2. So we will get the answer at 3 points. Let me run this. Initial value is initial value is given condition. Now at x equal to 0.5, the Runge-Kutta value is this. The exact value is this. The value given by Runge-Kutta is this. The exact value is this. So demo I know see 0 the 1 book interval say range say interval any even when the step size is 0.5, the accuracy is quite high. Yeah, the accuracy is quite high compared with the Euler's method. So let us look at Euler's method. Let us take the step size to be 0.5 and let us run this. The accuracy is very low. There is a huge error. You compare this and this, there is a huge error. But when you look at the solution given by Runge-Kutta fourth order method, the accuracy is very high. Very high names. The accuracy is very high. So if you reduce the step size to 0.1 and run it, you get very good approximate, very good answers. You know, sigi chap manai, sibu chap manantai, chap manantai, chap manai. Sidagi di kitang yam 0.00001. Kitang ganing kena raise. The accuracy is very good. So I know table one yang bada. Kena ngasai kena basi yang pasana kang the way. So if we plot these two graphs, sigi ani plot torgadi. Let us plot this. The one calculated by Rangi-Kutta method and the one calculated analytically. So this is the exact value. This is the Rangi-Kutta approximation value. Let us plot these two and let us look at the answer. So plot let us plot this. As a run tori plot over the katang batam change. Run over the go. So this is the plot. The blue line gives you the exact answer, exact solution. The blue lines in the PD never. Rangi-Kutta solutions is the red dots in never. The red circles are the solutions given by Rangi-Kutta method, and the blue line is the solution given by is the solution we obtain analytically. You see that these two almost overlap each other. So the accuracy is very high. Blue line is the chana ever. Rangi-Kutta method values in Aduna Rangi-Kutta fourth order Rangi-Kutta method it gives very good answers. Aduna I see 10 low kanda accuracy is young wang ever. I see the plot the Euler's hapodre. So if you also include the Euler's plot here, Euler's could see Maha side hydra never. Irorium chowndar can never. Next time the Euler hapagayangase. So let me stop recording here.